Hello dear students, let's move to the numerical questions of decimal chapter. So here I am having one question that write each of the following as decimal. That means we are having the questions under this we have to write its decimal values. So let's start. First we are having 56 plus 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 100. So here in this question we have to convert this kind of fraction or value in the decimal value. So for that, as I have already told you in the last videos, that we are having two parts of the decimal. First one is decimal place value, another we have integral or whole part. So whatever the value we are having the whole part, after this we will place the decimal point. Okay, so 56 we will write 56, then we need to put decimal. Okay, because the whole part is finished now. After any whole part, जो भी हमारा whole part होगा, इस whole part के बाद we have to put the decimal. Then according to their places we will put the value. Okay, then after decimal first value is 10th place, so at the 10th place we are having 7, so put 7 at the 10th place. After that we are having 100 at the we are having 2 at the 100th place, so at the 100th place we are going to put 2. So here this is the way by which we can easily convert this kind of fraction into decimal. So here we have the answer 56.72. Let's proceed to the next part, next question. We are having 403 plus 9 upon 10, that means 9/10. So first we have to categorize it into two parts. First is whole part, another is decimal part or a fraction part. Okay, so here I am going to take the whole part first, whole numbers first, that is 403. After that we have to put the decimal. Then in this part we have to recognize that the value which is presenting in the decimal part or a fraction part, it is its value we have to determine. We are having 10th place, 9 is at 10th place, so after decimal the first point, the first value we are having 10th place. Okay, so the answer is 403.9. Similarly, we are having one more question, 763 plus 8 upon 1000, that means 8 upon thousands value. Okay, so let's categorize it into two part. First one is whole part, another is decimal part. So write 763 as a whole part first. After that we have to place one decimal. Then we have to uh, take the decimal part. As before presenting the decimal part we just know its value, so we are having 800th. So before 8000 है ना, हमें 8000 से पहले we have 10th place, we have 100th place. After that we will get 1000th place. So 1000 is at 8 is at 1000 place, and before it we are having two places, that is 10th and 100th. So we don't have any value at the place value of 10th and 100th, so put 0 in place of 10th, 0 in place of 100th. After that put 8 as 1000 place. So here we have the answer 763.008. Let's move a similar type of question. Suppose we are having 12 12 plus 6 upon 100 plus 3 upon 1000. Okay, so here we are having two parts. First one is whole part, another is decimal part. So Let's write whole part first, that is 12. After that, place a decimal point. Then we have to determine the places of 6 and 3. The place of 6 is 100th and the place of 3 is 1000. So before 100 we have 10th value, after that 100th value, after that 1000th value. So 1003 is at 1000 place, 6 is at 100th place, but we don't have any value at 10th place, so put 0 at 10th place. So we will get 063. I hope you understand this question.